In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website in 2026. Hostinger Website Builder Tutorial. If you need a portfolio, a blog, or even a full e-commerce store, this walkthrough will show you how to do it quickly with Hostinger's Website Builder while keeping everything clean, professional, and easy to manage. I'll start with a portfolio because the same flow applies to most sites. After logging in, head to the Websites tab and create a new project with the builder. You'll see an AI prompt right away. Enter your brand or site name, describe the type of website you want, and let it generate a complete layout. If the first version isn't your vibe, just regenerate until the style fits. I kept the structure it made: hero section, gallery, video area, bio, and a contact form, and switched the color scheme to something more lively. From there, personalize in the editor. To embed a YouTube or Vimeo video, open Add Elements on the left, choose Video, drag it into place, resize it, and paste your link. You can add simple animations if you like. For images, upload your own or pull from the built-in stock library. There's also an AI image generator if you want custom backgrounds. Just remember, those credits are limited, so pace yourself. The drag and drop editor holds layouts well, which makes experimenting safe and fast. If you don't have a logo, the AI Logo Maker is a quick way to get a solid starting point. Then switch to the mobile view to fine-tune spacing and text so everything looks great on phones. This matters a lot for first impressions. When you're happy, hit preview to check the flow. Publishing will prompt you to connect a domain. Hostinger includes one for the first year on eligible plans. Just note renewal pricing later. If you're not ready, you can publish on a subdomain and upgrade when you're set. Now, let's add an online store. From the left menu, click Add Store. Hostinger creates a shop page and an admin area for products, orders, and payments. Rename the shop, place it in your navigation, upload product photos, write concise, compelling descriptions, and set pricing. Adjust how items display, grid or list, highlight featured products, and enable filters to help visitors browse. Payments are built in, so you don't need extra plugins. The store inherits your site's design, keeping everything cohesive. If you need the best price, check the description for current offers. E-commerce requires the business plan. Overall, the AI tools save time and the editor keeps the process smooth. If this helped, like and subscribe for more and share your experience in the comments. See you next time.